So now we have rigged our character, hands of our character, face of our characters, and basic body. Now we are done, and we are ready to animate and shake his booty. But we don't want to shake his booty naked like so. So we are going to give some class. So to do that, I just first of all I'm going to tell you how I just added this booty shake. I just added an noise modifier on the Y rotation of hip controller. So I am going to delete this keyframe. So now just press. I have added this clear all the transform in my quick favorites. So now go to object mode and just turn on the clothes you have. In case I have tops and bottoms and left and right shoe. So to do that, first I am, this is our main character genome. I have named it genome. You can see this is our main character genome. So we have to copy all its data vertex groups to our tops or our clothing or our anything we want to attach in case to move with it. So now anything you want to attach, go to add modifier and just in case our we have to attach our shirt to our body. So just add an data transfer. So data transfer modifier will transform all anything you will just edge data, vertex data, face center data, face data, anything you just want to copy, it will copy all the data you will mention from the source. So it is asking our source, our source is the this character which is named as genome. So we want to copy the data from our genome source, so or our body. So now we have just added it as our source, and we selected our vertex data, and which kind of vertex data we want is bevel, white or vertex groups. We want vertex groups. So just generate data layers. Now we can see we have all the vertex groups from our body to our main to our shirt. So in case to attach with it with our body, we just have to apply it. So now we can see we have all the vertex data from our body. Look at this, this is our body genome. So it has all the necessary information or vertex groups, and now these vertex groups are copied as in our shirt. So now our shirt has all the vertex groups. So if we go to pose mode, it will not just move with it. So to solve this problem, we have to add an armature modifier. So we have to add an armature modifier to our shirt, and then we have to select our rig. So if we now we go, it will move as we wanted. So it will it is just copying all the vertex data, all the bone data from our body. So you can see as it is moving as it our body will move without this class. So we are done with our shirt. Now we have to add this, we have to do same method or same method to add or attach our bottoms to our body. So just add an data transfer modifier. Source will be our genome, and vertex data will be our basically vertex data. So generate layers. Now we have all the layers, vertex group from our main body, genome body, our main body. So as now add an armature. So add our rig. Do not add our meta rig, just add generated rig, which is this. This is rig. So rigify rig. So just add that to our object. So now if we go, and now we can see our shirt, our bottoms are also moving with our body. So now it's time to add our shoes. So left shoe, right shoe, just turn them on. I have just turned them on, and I will use the same method I just used for other two cloths. Just add source as genome, vertex data, vertex groups, generate layer, apply, and same way add armature modifier, just add rig. So first of all I will do for both of them. So data transfer, genome, source as our genome. So vertex data, vertex groups, generate our data layers, and then apply, and then add armature modifier, rig. And now if we go to pose mode and just grab this, now you can see we have our clothing done, and now it is our clothing is moving with our body or our rig, and it is all done without any weight painting, any simulation, any rigid soft body simulation. So you can use this method to attach any clothing to our body. So basically we are done with our body, and now we will move on to animation, and how to animate like walk cycles, run cycles, and other movements. So till that, stay happy and stay safe, and good.